How to add preset on Snapseed. Are you guys facing issues to add preset on Snapseed? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. Snapseed doesn't call them presets, but it does offer preset style filters. They are found under specific tools like looks and grainy films. You can also save your own custom presets. Here's how to use both built-in and custom Snapseed presets. First of all, open Snapseed on your mobile device. Now browse to the image that you want to add presets. Once you select the image, now look at the left bottom of your screen where you can see looks. Click on it. You will be provided with multiple options over here. Choose it according to your preference. Once you choose it, now click on check mark. If you want to add another preset effect, then click on tools. Then after tap on grainy films. Select it according to your preference and repeat the same process. Click on check mark. And that's it, guys. That's how we're gonna add presets on Snapseed. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.